Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form select option values. Use the value attribute to specify the default values. So how to use that, I'm going to discuss about it now. So quickly, let's get to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial. So we discussed about the HTML select option size attribute. So right now we are going to manipulate this now so you can see some cool tricks you can perform with this again. Let's remove this size because we don't need it right now, because we don't want to we just need only one. We just want to display only one, which is this anwar, right? So let me do something reasonable for you guys right here. So right here we don't need anything yet. We want to use this value, right? Let's specify value. This value you are having right here, we can just write anwar inside here and still have anwar outside here, right? As you can see in my document, you are seeing this kind of thing, right? Anwar, zap zap. I'm going to show you some cool tricks about it, what is really going on. So please stay tuned. Let's say for instance now we want to send this data online. That's when this is so interesting. Let's quickly create a submit button. Let's give ourselves input of submit. So and let's quickly give this place index just php as if it's going heading to php, and also let's give this one a name. I've discussed about it severally. Don't hesitate to check my previous tutorial, because all these things I'm not performing any magic right here. I can't be discussing about it right here again, so that's why just to make this tutorial short a bit at least. Now we're having our submit, right? Now let me click submit. Can you see what happens? We're having this anwar, right? So how can you know either is this anwar that is going or this anwar that is going? That's where the question should starts from. So now let's turn this one to small letter, small letter, small letter anwar, so you can see the funnest part there. Let's bring back our document. Now we have selected this anwar, right? Now let's submit it. I want to show you something sensitive here. Can you see? This is the anwar that is heading there, which is the capital letter one. That is this anwar right here. The one that we specify inside our value right here is the one that is heading there. So I'm going to prove it again in another way. Let's give, for instance, let's give this anwar number one. Let's give John number two. So this John also, let's give it value. So now let's reload our document. Let's get back to our document and reload it. Let's send anwar. Can you see we're having the capital letter anwar, right? Now let's get back to the John also. Let's give John also. Let's send John. Can you see we are seeing John? Definitely the value that is inside this value which we specified is the one that is heading there, right? I'm now going to show you another trick, just to make you feel safe, or to do anything to rock with this option, the option that you have right here. So let's delete this and delete this. I'm just doing this for my people that is following me right here. So I want you to always feel safe whenever you are using this and feel active with it. Let me write John right here. So let's just do as if we want to send the data again. That is where the magic comes from. Let's select our submit. Can you see the hour is still going? Let's select John again. Can you see John is going? Let's select another one. Let's select Raymond again. Can you see Raymond is going? Let's select Adam also. Can you see Adam? Everything is heading there. So whenever you are using this value of whatsoever, you should note what I did today. I won't say much about this, so just note it and do your things, do your findings, and do your things also, understand, so you can be able to know what I'm trying to figure out, what I'm trying to show you guys there. I'm just showing you some tricks, some cool tricks you can perform with options and select, and also your action, your forms, and whatsoever you are doing. So, and what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.